Hello, my billionaire family. Are you going to Owambe parties and you don't have money to tie your gele at the event? So what are you waiting for? Grab your mirror and bring your gele and let's tie together. So the joining of the gele is storyline, guys. Our normal Owambe gele. That is what I'm making use of. So start like creating our pleats like that. I'm creating like 3 pleats like so. So I will extend the pleats. Just look at the way I'm extending my pleats. So like that, extend it. Extend your pleats. Make sure your pleats are well laid. Then the longer hand will be under. Sorry, the shorter hand will be under and the longer one will be on top, because we are bringing the longer hand back to the front like that. Like so. Just look at that. So easy, guys. So the next thing, use your office pin to pin it down like that. If you are using your office pin, you need to be careful not to hurt yourself. So I've pinned it down. So the next thing now, the excess hand, I will use that to start creating like ruffles there. But before that, I'm still like putting pin there. So look at what I'm doing, guys. Just like so. Just take your time. Hope you see that our gele is coming out well now. You see that the gele is coming out beautifully now. So the next thing now, the other hand, use it to create ruffles there again. If you notice now on Instagram, these are the gele that most young ladies are tying to parties now, to church. So we have to trend with them. So that is it. You see the gele is so easy. Sharp, you don't tie your thing, they go your Owambe parties. So like so. So easy, guys. So easy. So now I want to adjust it. If you want yours to be higher than this, you can make it higher than this. So that is it. That is it about the gele. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, share my video with your loved ones. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Please stay safe. Stay safe and stay blessed. Look at the gele, so easy, so simple. In less than 5 minutes, you have tied your gele. Love you guys. Bye.